Welcome to yet another vlog of V Family. Today we are here to show you something really special. The other day I was talking to Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Why are you so dressed up?
Really? I thought we are going all extra with the food, so I thought I'll go extra with my attire. How do I look?
You look fantabulous and I look...
Thanks to Auntie, she helped me a lot. Ashwin Chedda's mother, by the way. Thank you, Auntie.
Yes, of course. Okay, I feel underdressed right now, but since we don't have time...
But your t-shirt says everything.
It says it all, it says it all.
Can you see the contradiction between us? Traditional and...
And I think completely Western.
Yes.
So let me not waste any further time. We are going to be talking about a few delicacies of the Kerala cuisine. Now when I talk about Kerala food cuisine, it's a plethora of offering what we have.
Yeah.
But when I spoke to Ashwin, he mentioned that it is not possible to cover the whole thing at one go.
Yeah.
So it is tea time right now over here, and usually with tea we have a habit of eating snacks. So we are being offering you a view of few of the dishes what is had as snacks and a few main dishes. I hope you like it. Now talking about all this food, I've started feeling hungry.
Let's go. Let's hog now.
So as promised to you, here we've got it all laid out, and this
Yes.
is not even 1/4 of what is there to offer.
Yeah.
But since we wanted to show you what we are gonna have, this right here is what it is.
Okay. Well, I can't wait anymore to, give you guys the description, introduction, everything. I just want to jump onto the food.
You want to jump onto the food, but you guys need to know what we are gonna be having.
Yes.
So when it comes to things like snacks, we've got Urna
Urna
Vada.
vada.
That is Medu Vada for you guys who know about what this is.
Yeah.
This is Parpa Vada, or when I translated
Dal
it,
vada.
Dal Vada. Yes, you got that right. This is known as Bonda. It's made out of potato, marinated with a lot of spices. If you go up towards the north, you might know this as Vada, which is used in Vada Pav. This is something you're not going to be knowing because this is tapioca. It's called kappa over here. There are different ways of preparing this. This specific one is called manya kappa because it's yellow in color. Now I'm not going to get into the recipe of it because we need to get eating.
That's the secret.
Right, besides that we have Param Puri.
Parampuri.
Param Puri.
Yes.
Okay, so Param Puri literally translates to banana fried.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything.
We have here So when we look at this beautiful piece right here, this is known as Arimurku. The thing about this is this design what you see is not machine generated. It's actually entirely handmade and handcrafted. So every piece when it starts looking identical, I mean
Handmade. Can you even believe that? It's looking so.
that's called talent.
Yes.
That's called talent. Then we have Sugiyan. Sugiyan would be explained by Ankita because I'm gonna start hogging on something.
Are you
or the other.
serious?
Of course.
Okay, anyways, so this is sweet on the inside. So you've got coconut, you've got jaggery, the mixture is all blended sweet, and the outside I believe it's some kind of dough, right? Yeah.
Dough.
So what you do is basically, well, why am I getting into the details anyways? This is very tasty, that's all you gotta know. And this is Ari Unda, if I'm not wrong. Ari Unda, yeah. So this is as well sweet. So as you can see, most of the dish we have right here is very sweet. So that's good for me. This is Cheeda. This is, you have it as a snack or something like that. This is Mutta Palada. So you have again coconut and sugar mixture and what is the wrap like?
It's like a sweet variation of a pancake.
Yeah. You just roll it like a burrito and you have it, but sweet one. And this, yes. So as you can see, you would feel this is a pizza, but if you go closer, you can see there are cashews and all sorts of sweetness all around it, and that is and this is called chatti patri if I'm not wrong. So this is sweet and I can't wait to have it. This is banana roast. basically it's roasted in ghee and you put sugar on it. Sweet again. Rava laddu. This is koi katta. So in Malayalam you call it koi katta. This is again the jaggery and banana. No, not banana. Coconut mixture and covered in something which is sweet. Oh my god, I can't stop saying sweet. This is vatte appam. So this looks like a cake, but it is made of rice and sweet again, I guess. And this is rice noodles in English, and idiyappam or what else? What do you call other than Nooluputtu? Yes, Nooluputtu in Malayalam. So that is that. And then you have pattiri. This is not sweet, by the way. Both of these are not sweet. And this is, I believe, Neyyapam. Yes, this is Neyyapam. So the next one we have is Eleda, and Eleda is again, made of the same thing. These are like cousins of different looking cousins, which is sweet again. And then lastly, but not least, we have Koilapam and Achapam. So Koilapam is like basuri, I can say. Oh my god, I don't make sense.
Korla is basically translates pipe. Korla.
Right. And then we have Achapam. As you can see, it is very artistic looking. But the technique for this is you have a mold, and what you do is you dip that mold inside the batter, and then you get this lovely looking, pretty beautiful piece of snack.
It's crisp as hell, so
Yes.
when we eat it and you hear us talking, do not get surprised what are we chewing.
Yeah. Exactly. So let's begin. I just cannot wait, you guys.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Let's.
Why is it that we neglected the sweet payasam out of it?
I don't know why.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
As you can see, it's very much yummy, and it's like my favorite whenever I come. The last memory I have of Challa is Semia Paisa made by auntie. So thank you, auntie, again. And are we done? Can we start?
So last but not the least, special honorary mentions for the accompaniments to this kappa is the ulli chamandi. Ulli is onion, but now the specialty of this onion is this is not the regular size of your onion. This is actually called cherry ulli, which is just this much. So it's a ground chutney of the very same. And then we have some muringya parp right there, which is lentil and drumstick leaves. And then you've got the white chutney, which is really famous down the entire of south of India.
Yes.
It's made out of coconut.
I'm gonna have this because I'm very much eagerly waiting what this looks like. So
Really crispy. Are you serious? You started off with a big one, yeah?
Wow.
what? Are you serious?
Sorry and apologies for talking with food in the mouth, but Ankita has got a sweet tooth, so she jumped for the sweet one way before the savories. So, yeah.
I just could not help it, yeah. You understand. This is far better than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
I cannot put it into words how good this is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not about putting it into words.
Point it. Now let me have something which is not very sweet. What do you suggest? Kappa? Okay, I'll have that. So I'll have it with this or thoda बहुत dip. Okay. Let's go.
That's gonna be potent.
And you did not tell me. Okay.
That was the idea. Because my spice tolerance is not that great. I usually avoid when the word molag is used. So yeah.
But this is good. This is like vada pav without pav.
Now I'm gonna jump for the slice of pie. lasagna, strudel, but it's none of them. This is Malabar Pattari,
Or
Chatti
rather,
Pattari.
chatti patri.
Yo.
Yes. Ooh.
Mmm.
Right? That feel, you would end up having a foodgasm just by having this. That exactly. That's what I said.
This is
Mm.
insanity.
Yeah.
But yeah.
You know,
Mhm.
apart from the sweetness, the taste is far beyond that, just because of the love it was made with.
Definitely, definitely. A lot of credits to Ashwin's mom,
Yes.
because of whom all this is there present in
Yeah.
front of us, and we are actually enjoying it. I would say I'm committing the sin of gluttony, but yeah, gluttony shall be forgiven, because this is something you gotta give away everything, all of your principles
Yeah.
for.
So
Pattern
we
of it.
normally, I don't think we normally have this much amount of food. But we
Definitely
just couldn't stop ourselves, from having it, because Ashwin Chetta really insisted us to try everything, and we were like, let's do it for once.
And because this is a mukbang presentation, there's a certain way we are eating it.
Everything just gets better and better. Right? This is like love at first sight for me. I've been loving this since, forever. Okay,
I'm done
wow.
with the pulpo vada.
That's quite this, speed to eat.
It's not about the speed to eat food, it's about when food is really tasty.
Point.
You want to go fast with it. The Vatapam, it's like, go on.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Okay, I'm done.
Are you?
Yeah,
Okay. That was cooked, man.
that was cook. That was quick. But she said that was cook. Okay, that was cook.
Oh my god. That's how good this is. I said that was quick.
That was cook.
My favorite same person. Wow.
So me as a food championship contender, I'm done with my half. But she as a mukbanger is not done with her half. But that's how mukbanging is supposed to be. We will see you next time on another vlog with none other than the Wee family.